Hi there, I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Today I'm working on a Dodge Challenger here with a pretty sharp dent in the left quarter. We're going to go ahead and take this damage out using the Paintless Dent Repair method, so stay tuned. Alright, here's a look at this Dodge Challenger RT model with the nice black stripes on the side here. As you can see, the dent is right above the wheel well here, and it is pretty big around in size if you look at the total distortion of the damage in the reflection here. We're going to go ahead and take all of this damage out using specialty tools to slowly push the metal back out into its original shape and not harming the superior factory finish, so stay tuned. Alright, just finishing up the repair on this Dodge Challenger quarter panel here. Here's a good look at the final results. As you can see, the dent is completely gone. There was no need for any paint or body filler used in this type of repair process. So we're able to save the customer a superior factory finish with him choosing Paintless Dent Repair. So if you've got any type of similar damage, feel free to give us a call at 605-595-4061. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you.